What's up guys and welcome back again. Today I'm unboxing a watch again, but this time I'm unboxing a boat watch which comes in this sturdy box. I'm so excited to share my opinion on this watch. Let's do not waste time and see what we have in the box. I kind of impressed by the features and hardware this watch comes up with at this price. As usual, on the front watch itself, keep this aside and check rest of the things first. Some paperwork and a warranty card from boat. Let's move to watch and check its display quality. If you slide to left, you get this quick monitor features like steps count, heart rate monitor, blood oxygen monitor, sleep cycle. You can have a control of music from here. You can check weather updates from here and notifications as well. With this multifunction button, you can directly call anyone from this watch if you enable the Bluetooth calling from the app, and you can also access phone book from here. Breathe exercise option is also available there. Let me just give you a demo how to get this exercise done. To perform this exercise, you need to wear this watch, and when it tells inhale, you gotta inhale and exhale, and then it goes same for the next 1 minute. You can change time for how long you want to do this exercise. Stopwatch, timer, alarm. You can find your phone, and here's always on display option, and here are some watch faces if you want a different one. You can adjust brightness either from here or from the settings as well. Rubber band quality is impressive to me, but more than a rubber band, I like the way they made this hashtag here on the band. I don't know if you're getting this from the camera, which says do what floats your boat, and on the other side you get this boat logo badging. Let's move on to its specification and pricing. This watch comes with 1.78 inches AMOLED display with 60 Hz refresh rate, Bluetooth calling, 100 plus watch faces, 700 plus active sports mode, 24/7 heart rate monitor, Spo2 monitor, battery life up to 7 days, comes with 1 year warranty, and gets fully charged in just 30 minutes. This watch is currently selling on their official website at around 3,499 rupees, but I got this in 2,800 rupees. Don't buy this at 3,499, just wait for the discounts. Thanks for watching. If you find this video informative, please consider subscribing and share this with your friends or family or whoever want to get a watch. See you soon. Peace out.